Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you whether ClickWages is a real money making platform or just another scam. So ClickWages claims that you can earn money by clicking ads, watching the videos and filling out surveys. But here is the problem. Making easy money online with no effort is usually a scam, and one big red flag is that the website redirects you to random pages and ads, which is a trick scammers use to make money from clicks. Another issue is that ClickWages is a brand new website. So real money making websites usually have a long history and good reviews. Now speaking of reviews, ClickWages claims to have 100,000 plus positive ratings, but when you come on Trustpilot and if you search for ClickWages, you won't be able to find any reviews, and if you find any reviews, these are very less. This is a clear sign of fake promotion as well. Finally, they use very aggressive messages and notifications to pressure people into signing up. This is a common scam tactic as well. So should you use this platform? In my opinion, no. It has too many red flags, so I recommend you to staying away from it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.